Hi everyone. Today I will show you how to set a password on your Windows 11 computer. Setting a password makes your computer far more secure. Let's fix that. I will walk you through it step by step. Start by clicking the Windows Start button at the bottom of your screen, then open Settings. Give the Settings app a moment to load, then click Accounts from the menu on the left. In the Accounts section, scroll down to Account Settings and click Sign In option. Here you will see several of ways to sign in to your computer. Find the password option and click it. It will expand and show use a password to sign in to Windows, apps and services. Click Add. Enter the password you would like to use, then type it again to confirm. Password field. If it helps, you can also add a password hint as a memory lock. Next, click next and you are done. From now on you will need to enter this password every time that you sign in. Your Windows 11 PC is now officially locked down. If this helps, drop a subscribe and a like. It really supports the channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next tutorial.